Do you know that the right lip combo can transform your entire look from this present look to this and to this in just a minute? I bet you don't know. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a lip combo for beginners using simple techniques and products. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, you definitely want to keep watching. Guys, the first look of today, I'm going to be using a lip liner, and this is a lip liner I'm going to be using. This is a black lip liner, and it's from MAC. I'm just going to open it now and use my mirror to outline the lip so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'll just outline the lip now. Start from here. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I'll start from here to this place. When you are doing it, just be careful.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe.
So guys, this is the first step. What I'm going to do now is to use my hand to pat it. If you have brush, you can use your brush to blend it in. So what I'm going to do now is to look for lip color that I want to put in my lip. So I'm going to be using my lip palette and I'm going to be showing you guys. So guys, this is my lip palette. Sorry, it's looking rough, and this is the color in it. I don't really know which I'm going to use now. This is the color in it. So I think I will use this nude color. I will use this one. I'll use this color, and I'll use my brush to pick out the color I want. And the next thing is to apply in my lip. You can use any color you want. It must not be my own personal color. You can use any type of color you want, as long as you have already outlined the lip already with dark lip liner. Then you dab. You can see the color of my lip right now is changing. You can still apply more to it so that it will come out very well. You can see now it's very pronounced. I'm just going to use my hand now to dab it in properly. You can also use your brush to do it. Then you dab. So you can see that it's very pronounced now, and I will use a white lipstick to apply to it so that it will look more pronounced. And I'm going to be using this lipstick, this one. You can use any white lipstick to apply to it. So I'm just going to use the down, this one, the down of it, to pick it out. I don't want to apply the lipstick directly to my lip because it's going to stain the lipstick. So as I'm using this. When you're doing it, you should be careful so that you should not be cleaning off. We dab. You can see the lip now is looking all cute, like it's more beautiful than the way it was in the beginning when I've not applied anything on my lip. You can see the lip combo is very simple to do and it's very easy. See, it's looking all cute, beautiful, simple. This is a simple lip combo which is nude. You can take it anywhere, school, work, anywhere you're going to, you can take it.
My place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me.
So guys, this is the first look. I'm going to show you guys the second look. So I'm just going to clean this off and start with the second look. So guys, I've already cleaned it off my lip as you can see. And I'm just going to go over to the next look and I'll be using this brown lip liner. This one is brown. You can see the tip. The first one that I used was the black one. So this one is the brown one, and it's also from MAC also. And I'm just going to open it and use it to apply my lip just the same way I did for the first method. So I'm just going to go like this.
We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So I'm just going to use my hand to pat it. You can use your brush if you want to. You can use your brush to pat it in, but I'm just going to use my hand. Dab. So now I'm done with the lip lining. The next thing for me to do is to apply lipstick to it, and I'm also going to go back to that previous lip palette that I showed you guys so that I'll pick the color I want to use in my lip. So guys, this is it here again. Which color am I going to use? Let me pick this. I'll use this one, this pink color. I'm just going to take the pink color. So I'm just going to use my hand to pat it in. The lip outline is already clean, but don't worry, we are going to do it again. Dab. I don't want it to be too much on my lip, so this one is okay for me. You can add more to yours, or your lipstick can apply the way you want it. So I'm just going to use the brown lip liner to outline the surface because the one I did the first one has already cleaned because of this. So I'm just going to do it again. I'm just going to dab. So I'm just going to apply my lip gloss to it now so that it will pump out more. We are still using the same lip gloss, so I'll still apply it to my hand and close. Now use the down of my brush to apply it in. This is cute, so beautiful. So guys, you can see that the both colors are different. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tips and tricks like this, and don't forget to leave a comment if you are from team A or you are from team B. And also I would like to know if you'll be trying this out. So guys, from me to you, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.